Did you know how the iconic blaster sound in Star Wars was actually created? Sound designer Ben Burt reveals the surprising origin in the making of the film.
Sound of the Blasters was discovered by accident. I was on a hike with my family. We passed underneath the guy wires of a radio tower. I bumped against it, and the wire made a twanging sound. And I said, "Oh my gosh, that's a laser gun." And that wire on that particular radio tower became the basis for all the blasters.
That's the door, kid!